Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Whenever you are seeing or hearing this message, I hope you are well. I'm Mayor Bridget Donnell Newton, and on behalf of Council Members Ashton, Feinberg, Miles, and Pershela, I'd like to give you a brief update on what's going on in our city. Let me begin by reminding us all that with COVID-19 cases rising across the country and the DMV, Governor Hogan and Montgomery County Executive Elrich have made the difficult decision to reinstate some restrictions. They have reduced the capacity of retail businesses and religious institutions, and restaurants and bars must be closed between 10 p.m. and 6 a.m. Along with Dr. Fauci and every other medical and scientific expert, we are strongly advised against traveling for the Thanksgiving holiday weekend. If you must travel, you should get tested and self-quarantine while you await the results, and once again when you return to Rockville. To find out more about the state's restrictions, go to coronavirus.maryland.gov. To find more details on the county executive's coronavirus executive orders, go to montgomerykountymd.gov/coronavirus. There you will also find resources to help you get through the pandemic. The City of Rockville is continuing to work with the Montgomery County Department of Health and Human Services to provide free COVID-19 testing opportunities across our city. The tests are free and no appointment is needed. On Tuesday, November 24th, testing is available at the Rockville Civic Center, 603 Edmonston Drive, between 10 a.m. and 5 p.m. On Friday, November 27th, testing will be available at the County HHS Building, 401 Hungerford Drive, between 10 a.m. and 5 p.m. And Saturday, November 28th, testing will be available at the Rockville Methodist Church, 112 West Montgomery Avenue, between 11 a.m. and 3 p.m. For more information on dates, times, and locations, please go to mococovidtesting.org. You can also call the testing helpline at 240-777-1755 between 8 a.m. and 6 p.m., 7 days a week. I know that we were all experiencing COVID fatigue, especially as we approach the holiday season. And I learned a new phrase recently, the COVID conundrum. COVID is a puzzle, a mystery, a challenge, mainly because it strikes people differently and without much advance warning. Not being able to have face-to-face communication with family and friends is extremely difficult as we continue to live our lives during this pandemic. But for the good of the order and our family and friends, let's show respect for our healthcare workers and do our part to stay apart. I'd like to give a huge shout out to the Housing and Community Services staff for coming up with a way to keep the Rockville Holiday Drive alive during this time. For over 4 decades, the Rockville community, organized by city staff, has provided help for families during the holidays. To ensure everyone's health and safety, this year, city staff passed out gift cards to families in need for the Thanksgiving holiday. And we're going to do it again for the Christmas holiday, but we need your help. Please be a blessing to someone else, someone in need, by donating. It's easy. Just go to rockvillemd.gov/donate. And if you find yourself in need of help, go to rockvillemd.gov/holidaydrive for details on how you can get the support you need. My friends, with cases on the rise, now more than ever, we must stay the course and do our part to help slow the spread of this virus. Wear your face coverings over your nose and mouth. Wash your hands and use hand sanitizer often. Practice social distancing, and as hard as it will be, please avoid large gatherings. I know we have heard all this before, but following these best practices will help reduce the spread of COVID-19. And reducing the spread is the only way we will move the city of Rockville and Montgomery County forward in our recovery plan. Stay well, be kind, be safe, and have a happy Thanksgiving. Remember, Rockville, we can get through this if we work together.